So welcome, my viewers, on today's lesson. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Mr. Ignatius Wahome YouTube. So on my YouTube channel, it is Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome. So this lesson for today, we are going to cover the part on the indices, topic indices. This is in Form 2. And I've applied, I want us to see how we apply the rules of indices in this kind of question. So this was a past KCSE question, and there are areas that I need to explain to the students so that to avoid making mistakes. So therefore this basically for Form 2 students, but it's a good question for revision of students in Form 3 and in Form 4, because this is a question in paper 1. So I want us to see how we work out this. So karibu sana. So we have this question. So the solution is a working. We write down here. We do all the working here. Now find the value of x in the equation. Check the numerator. The numerator is 243 times 3 raised to the power 2x. You first of all deal with the numerator. So our numerator is 243 times 3 to the power 2x. Can you express 243 in the simplest form? So 243, you check whether it is divisible by 3. And for you to know that a number is divisible by 3, get the sum of all the digits. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So therefore you can take this 243 by 243 by 3, that is 81, by 3, 27, by 3, 9, by 3, 3, and by 3, 1. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 243 is 3 to the power 5 times 3 raised to the power 2x. Now you deal with the powers. You are multiplying numbers with the same base. According to the rules of indices, if you are multiplying numbers with the same base, you are supposed to group them like this, to the same base, and then add the powers. 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x. And this is the value, this is the numerator now. You are done with the numerator. That's the numerator. So that's how you do the numerator. You are done with that. Go to denominator now. Denominator, you have 729 times 3 raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1. These are powers. So 729 in prime factors, it is also divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, that's 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 2. Sorry, it's divisible by 3. So therefore, you can express this number in terms of its prime factors. So if you express 729 in prime factors, you get this is 3 to the power 6 times 3 raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1. In its prime factors, 3 to the power 6 is 729. Then you go to the rows of indices. You go to the rows of indices here. So you go to the rows of indices. We are in the denominator. So you are multiplying these two. 3 raised to the power 6 times 3 raised to the power x. If you are multiplying numbers with the same base, put them under the same base, add their powers. Now here you are dividing. 3 raised to the power dividing by 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1. If you are dividing again, you subtract. So the base is the same. The base is 3. So how do you work it out? Put the same the denominator under the same base. You write 3. You write 6 plus, you add the power, plus x. Put that bracket. Because you are adding this plus this. You add the powers. Then divide it by. If you are dividing, you subtract. Put this bracket. Then put this. 2x minus 1. There's a common mistake that students do. And that's why I'm explaining this question. Common mistake students do. Well, this is when you are writing this. Most of the students will leave out this bracket. This bracket here. It is very important to put this bracket. because you are adding this one and you're subtracting this side. So therefore, can you simplify that? You say 3 raised power 6. This is minus and this is a minus. Minus and a minus according to form 1 integers. In the form 1 integers, if you have this bracket means multiplication, then it becomes positive 1. You get 6 plus 1. There's a minus and a minus here. To open the bracket, you get plus. Then plus x. This is x minus 2x. So to open this bracket, you must open this bracket. If you don't put the bracket here, you don't get this one. This one you write as negative. So most students like this one as negative. And this one should always be a positive. 6 minus and a minus becomes a positive. So therefore, you now simplify 3 raised power 7 x minus 2x, that's minus x. Now in the denominator. That's a denominator. That's a denominator. Remember, you had your numerator here. This was the numerator. So what are you doing? We are yet to go to the right hand side with eta 1. So you say 3 raised power 5 plus 2x divided by the denominator now. 3 raised power x minus x. 3 raised power 7 minus x is equals to eta 1. And now you can simplify eta 1. Eta 1 in terms of its simplest form. It is possible to express eta 1 in prime factors of 3. So this one you say 3 raised power 5 plus 2x divided by 3 raised power 7 minus x is equals to 3 to the power 4. That's eta 1. That is eta 1. See, it's not a simple question. There is a division sign here and there is a minus in the power. You are dividing numbers with the same base, meaning you are supposed to group them and then add the powers. Group them in terms of base 3. The base is 1 now, the base is just 3. Then 5 plus 2x. Close this bracket. You are dividing minus 7 minus x is equals to 3 raised to the power 4. Is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. You now need to open this bracket. This bracket is very important. Very important. So you say what? This one, open this bracket, 3 raised to the power 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. Now 2x minus and a minus. You want to open the bracket. 2x minus and a minus becomes plus 3x is equals to 3 raised to the power 4. This bracket is open. Don't just leave like this one without putting the brackets. So that you know you are subtracting this part and this part. And you must apply again integers. In this one you're opening 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. And 2x, a minus and a minus, that becomes positive. 2x minus minus becomes positive. So 2x plus x is 3x. So therefore, you have this up to that level. Now the base, this right hand side, the left hand side and the right hand side, they are the same. And the base is the same. So what do? You drop the base. You drop the base here, this one. You say minus 2 plus 3x is equals to 4. You drop the base. You drop the base. You drop the base. You drop the base. You drop the base in this question. So drop the base. So you get, you are at this point 3 raised to the power negative 2 plus 3x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. The base is the same. Drop them. Minus 2x plus 3x equals 4. Take this minus 2 on this side. You get this on negative. When you put it on the right hand side, you get 3x is equals to 4 plus 2. And 4 plus 2, you get 6. So 3x is equal to 6. For you to get the value of x, divide both sides by 3. And by 3 by 3. So our value of x is equals to 2. Our value of x is equals to 2. So that is how you solve that Indices question up to the end, without leaving any step. Without leaving any step. So therefore, Form 2 students should be very careful when answering this question. because of application of the integers in form 1. So when we are for a student to answer this question, 1, the basic knowledge of integers is required, and then you apply now the integers, the rows of indices in form 2. So you have basic knowledge in integers, and then the rows of indices in form 2. And then you answer that question up to the end. So thank you very much. So welcome again to the YouTube channel, Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome. Asante sana. God bless.